Alright guys, so welcome back everybody. Okay, so we have something new on the market, and this project I think and I hope is going to last for quite some time. Now I'm going to explain you what I find out. I did some research a little bit and it was shared by some of my members around a week ago who they say they did the research, they really like the project, they sent to me, I just look up and I just invest some money, only risk capital, and let's see what this is about. I'm pretty much maybe the only YouTuber at the moment who is doing this video for this platform. Maybe in the future you're going to see a lot more, maybe not, but hey, let's find out together. Now, before we go anywhere, remember that everything what I'm saying in this video is only my personal opinion. Please don't put more money you can afford to lose. This is crypto. You can lose everything, okay? This is not financial advice. Remember that this video is for education and entertainment purposes only. Okay, so if you never watched, by the way, some of my video where I'm doing some donations, I'm helping the poor people in the Philippines, India and Africa, go and watch some of them. It's mean the world to me. I just did amazing video yesterday. It's go and watch it. All right, okay, so let's go and let's check about Verse Network, what this is about. Okay, so basically it's a project where they have traders. Okay, so this is their presentation in English. Now there are a few things I like with this one. Okay, so they're traders. However, if you go down you will see this is their name, and I did some research. Okay, so who is this guy, who is this guy, who is this guy, who is this guy, and their name pop up. It's not something like you cannot find them, it's not something they're from yesterday. So you can see this guy is French, this one is from the UK, Germany and Asia. So they're all traders and they're all doing some trading. So the question is, okay, so how much I can earn? This is not something going to make a lot of money overnight, but it's something who's supposed to sustain for a long time and you can make a nice profit. So the last week they did a profit around 2.5% a week. They can do up to 15% a month. Okay, maybe you will see that that's not a lot, but believe me, that's a lot. Up to, so it can be much less, can be 7, 8, 9, 10, 12% a month, and let's see how it's going to work. I hope this one going to last for quite some time. I hope this is from one of that platform where you get in and then you're here in the next year or maybe even more. Okay, so if you go here for the Bryce Van D, I cannot even pronounce his name, Bachet. Okay, Mark Owen, Stefan Burkhardt and Muht Shidia, sorry if I pronounced that name wrong. You will see that basically, so the first guy have experience, over 15 years of experience. For the past 6 years he been specialized in the research, development, automatic trading solution for the last 6 years. So this guy Mark Owen, okay, he has been in the financial market since 2010. And then we have 20 plus experience for Stefan Burkhardt. He is a German guy, and also Stefan is CTO of Spring Techno. Okay, so I say, okay, so what's that? So let's check them. Let's see who they are. So if you go here, by the way, this is from the let me see. So if you go to the YouTube, you will see this is the owner of this company. He's the CEO. So, but he's here. He's talking on French. I cannot understand. And he's explaining all the. Let me see. Here you will see he's explaining everything. Like, what's this about? What's the platform for? And so on. And so I can't understand anything. What he's saying is in French. So if you understand French, go ahead and watch. It's another video. So the most I'm trying to say this. He's showing his face. Who is he? What is it's not everyday thing when you say in the crypto. That doesn't make this platform safe 100%, but it's better than don't show the face. Okay, so if you go also on the website, I will leave a link to this video. So this guy have an amazing presentation for Verse Network. What have a huge, very good explanation how it's working, who these guys are, and so on and so on. Okay, and also how much they earning, and also he explaining for the network. Okay, how the network is working if you want to build up your team. Now, if you go to my FX book, okay, you will see here this is over there from Verse Network, and it's everything explained what they building and how much they earning every single day. This is also will be in their website, or you can find out in their Telegram group, and you will see how much money they making. Okay, so if you go there in the Instagram, I find this guy. So this is the main guy, so that's here, that's him. Okay, then so this is him again. Sorry, so there we go. He's doing full presentation, like what he's saying, what he's explaining. So that's him. Right there, he's
minimum 12 ans d'expérience.
So I can understand French, so he's explaining everything, how it's working, and so on and so on. Okay, so if you go to the next one, the good stuff is here. Let me just see. So this is another guy. What I find out, who was this guy? Mark Owen. So there we go. You can see Mark Owen also on Instagram. You can see this is the guy. So this is just like 10 minutes research. This is the last guy, Muht Shidia. Also, so you can see his profile on Facebook is from 2019. Well, that's good. It's not from yesterday. You can see here his pictures and so on and so on. What did I find out? There, oh, this is Mark Owen. I just did a research, Spring Techno. Who is this company? You know, you will see this is a German company, and there we go. That's the guy. Okay, so he's been here. So this is German company, and I think it's made from since 2005. Okay, so that's good. This is the IB number, ISBN number for the company. So I'm trying to say these guys look serious, so that's why I put some money there. So now the question is, okay, so let's go back to the presentation. So they have like Verse AI, automatic software, and Verse Club. It's more in detail to explain, but I just want to give you the short shortcut at the moment, because I'm going to do few follow-up video like every couple of weeks, just to see how this platform going to manage. At the moment, wherever I find out I like it, I just want to spread my risk. I'm investing in other platforms as well, but I really like the trading, and I like people who have some experience. So this is basically you need to get registered. Okay, so now the question is how to get registered. So the link will be in the description, only risk capital. When you go to get registered, you're going to come to this website. Make sure you fill your you put your name here, and then you put your country, email, username, password. Make sure you choose a good and strong password, and also PIN code. Okay, once you are in, all right, this will be your basically a back office. When you're in there, you can go to the packs and you can buy one packs. Now, what is the price of the packs and basically how much money you can get in? Okay, so this is very simple. You buy a packs from $50. If you go to the website, by the way, this is on Tron network. Okay, make sure you use USDT on Tron network, and make sure you have download the Tron Link wallet. Use a Ledger also, or any hardware wallet, wherever you want, just to be more safe. So if you go here, you will see that the package are starting from $50. So the package starting from $50, and then till you ROI. Let me just move my face. So the first package is $50, 125, 250, 500, 1000, 2500, so on and so on, up to $10,000. Now the ROI this is the percentage till you ROI. Once you ROI, you are done. Minimum withdrawal is $20, and then you don't have any fee. There we go. You can see here they saying by purchasing a pack you will receive passive rewards up to 0.75% a day, up to 3.75% a week, or up to 15% a month. Okay, till your ROI is reached. Once you have your ROI reached, that means you are done. Okay, now so how to start? Step 1, get registered, make deposit, choose your package, enjoy your reward. Simple as that. So you can see here, if you go to if you go and check the presentation, you will see that for the bonuses, if you want to have a marketing plan, they have direct bonus, team bonus, matching bonus, and so on and so on. Okay, go and check them up. If you're interested, you can learn more information. Let me see, reward. Yeah, if you also, they're giving some products like career bonus starting from the regional director rank. So if you go up, and you can get some like iPhone, iPad, MacBook, rewards retreat, luxury trip, and so on and so on. Okay, so how much is the daily earning cap. Also, they have a daily earning cap. For the $50 you can daily earn caps $25. Okay, you cannot earn like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. If you put $500 you can earn daily 250. This is including with your all downloads and bonus and all that stuff. So the good stuff here is the practical information is deposit in USDT Tron. As I said, minimum $10 you can deposit. However, to buy the package is $50. Now deposit by Visa and MasterCard, this I think it's on. You can already use the Visa and MasterCard. And also withdrawal process taking 24 hours with Tron network, minimum $20. Fees, no deposit, transfer or withdrawal fees. Okay, wallets, deposit wallet, transfer between members, and cash wallet, 100% funds available for withdrawal. So if you go to their Telegram group, you will see they started around 2 weeks ago. So they're sharing here they are trades, and here you will see the last week they did profits of 2.63% a week, what is not bad at all. Again, if you expect 2-3% a day, this is not for you. But this is supposed to be real trades on forex trading, not crypto, and they doing so far so good. Okay, you will see that they having a couple of times a week Zoom meetings, and you can go there and you will see that they have like here, this is all the people who join in. You will see here they have like 93 participants, and then go and follow them, guys. Follow them on Telegram, learn more. Here you will see 158 participants. So every time they build up more and more participants on their Zoom meeting. Last time it was almost 300 people who joined on the presentation, and this was June 8th. So that's today basically. This is today. So this is from basically yesterday when they had the presentation. I still didn't join, not yet, but I will join soon just to see what they're saying about. And that's about it. Again, remember, nothing here is financial advice. Do your research, only put risk capital. This is the name of the game what we're playing, all right? So this is the 4 people who they supposed to make us money in the long run. Let's hope this project is going to last for a long time, because I did invest some money, and I hope I'm going to make some money in the next several months or maybe a couple of years. You never know. We're going to find out together. Again, let me know what you think. Do you like it or not? Be honest. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking. Do your research. Goodbye.